Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy data visualization with Power BI quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Power BI desktop on your computer. Create a new report by selecting the File menu and then New. Connect to your data source by clicking on Get Data. Choose the type of data source you want to connect to, such as Excel, SQL Server. Once selected, click Connect. If prompted, navigate to your data file and select it, then click Open. Check the preview of your data in the Navigator pane. Select the tables or sheets you want to import, then click Load. Now, your data appears in the Fields pane on the right. To start visualizing, drag a field from the Fields pane onto the report canvas. Choose the type of visualization you want from the Visualizations pane. Click on the visualization type, such as a bar chart, line graph, or pie chart. Customize your visual by using the Format pane to adjust colors, labels, and other settings. Add more visuals by repeating the process of dragging fields onto the canvas. Use the Slicer feature to allow users to filter data dynamically. To add a slicer, select the Slicer visual from the Visualizations pane and drag it onto the canvas. Configure the slicer by dragging a relevant field into the Values area. Arrange your visuals on the canvas for clarity and accessibility. Once you're satisfied with your report, save your work by clicking File, then Save As. To publish your report, click on the Publish button located in the Home ribbon. Log into your Power BI account if prompted. Choose the workspace where you want to publish your report. Click Select to complete the publishing process. Your report is now available in the Power BI service for sharing and collaboration. To access your published report, go to the Power BI website and log in. Navigate to your chosen workspace to find the report. From here, you can share your report with others by using the Share option in the upper right corner. Adjust the sharing settings as needed to control who can view or edit the report. This concludes the quick tutorial on deploying data visualization with Power BI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.